This, folks, is a Baldor grinder, and if you ever see one on Marketplace, cheap for under $100, I pick it up. This, if you're wondering why it's so expensive, why they're like industrial grade, I'll listen to it. That's a nice little hum, right? Well, let's turn this off, and we'll get to the next one. So, hello, folks. This here is a Mastercraft grinder. Listen to the difference now. Actually, the other one's still running. The other one's still going, but here, listen to a Mastercraft grinder. This is a cheap fucking $75 grinder. This grinder is loud and obnoxious, and if you put it on a pedestal stand, it'll walk everywhere. That one is nice and quiet, so buy a good Baldor one if you can afford a cheap used one. You may not be able to hear the difference when you're probably not on this recording, but if you're using a cheap Mastercraft versus a Baldor, you'll notice huge differences. Like, look at see this? This thing has meat on it. Look at this sheet metal thing broke off. There's little 2 spot welds. This is like what? A little bar, nice bar here. Nice big thick piece of plastic. This one they broke off ages ago. That's got a nice super giant cast iron base. This one, the base isn't too bad, but it's cheap. It's tank versus, I don't know, cheap flimsy car. And I have a baby Baldor, which I paid $40 for. I gotta strip that and repaint it, but I'm amazed that's even, like, I got it for that much. So yeah, the noise difference is just immense. Like, I could sit this on here and I'll just hear it hum nice. Even when this thing's not bolted down, it'll just sit there. It's so well balanced. This one, I don't think they balance anything in it. So, just thought I'd show you. Oh, and please note, don't leave all your consumables behind a grinder. I gotta actually make a shroud behind it to stop some of the sparks from going behind it. So, hope you liked the video. Enjoy.